Every project has its own story, and this one in Mount Barker has been really rewarding. When we first started, it was just a fresh new build with plenty of open space. The first step was putting in a strong retaining wall using Kensington sleepers. They are solid, reliable, and give the yard that clean, finished look. After that, we installed a good neighbor fence, which is one of my favorites because it's tidy, modern, and gives the homeowners that extra bit of privacy. Now we are preparing the area for concreting, and that's always the stage where you can really picture how the outdoor space will be used every day. It's more than just walls and fences, it's about shaping a place where a family enjoy the home for years to come. And seeing it all come together step by step is what makes this work so enjoyable. Enhance your home's exterior now with Reltona Construction's experts.